Good morning. Banana head full for Christ here. Glory to the Father, to the Son, to the Holy Spirit, now and ever, and unto the ages of ages. Amen. I wanted to show the little mandolin that I received an inheritance here a couple weeks back. And one of them was this electric mandolin I'm going to show you. It had a broken knob. One of the knobs on the tuners was missing. And of course, this thing was made probably back in the 70s sometime, and they're no longer being made. They no longer produce them. So it's a Harmony. And so I didn't know what to do at first. I thought maybe I would pull it apart and then weld a little piece on there and make it into a knob. But then I remembered that I had some guitar tuners down in the basement down here in a toolbox. So I thought, they're kind of interchangeable anyway. Well, anyway, it wasn't directly interchangeable. I had to spread. There's a little thing that holds the knob on. It's got a worm gear on the end of it. I had to spread them open a little wider because it was a little bit too narrow for it. But then, because I spread it, it was on angles, and then I had to take the file to it. So with the help of a couple of jeweler files here, one with a diamond abrasive and the other one normal, carbon steel, I was able to whittle it down so it goes in there pretty nice. And so anyway, I don't have brand new strings on this, but because I was waiting for when I could get the thing apart and fix that knob before I put any kind of strings on it. So because you can technically or so forth tune them without the knob, but you'd have to use a pair of pliers, and I don't want to go through all that. So, and I don't want to have to carry around a pair of pliers every time I want to tune the thing up. So I thought I'm going to go grab it, and I got an amplifier here that I'm going to plug it into. It's electric. It's an electric one, and my cousin Bobby gave me that nice amplifier there. I love you, Bob. Appreciate all that you did for me when you was up here. Let me see, where's that amp? I have to locate the thing. Oh, right there beside me. This thing came with a cord, so we'll see if I can fire it up a little bit for you here today. I think you're going to like this, Bob. Let me play it on the amplifier that you gave me. Good morning, Bob, Corky, and all the people down there in North Carolina. Let's see here. So this is the amp. This is the particular mandolin that I was talking to you about. You see where I replaced the knob, and the knob is molded around like a ribbed worm gear, a little rib. I don't know what the term is, but it's got a worm gear on the other end of it, a little rod. And so I had to. Well, it works. So bless God. We'll. And I'm not really all that great. I don't have a whole lot of experience with the mandolin. So, but a little bit. I can work with them a little bit. And so I think next time I make a video, I'm going to make a video of the old violin there. Used to belong to my wife's father. She inherited it. And I got that all set up. And that thing wasn't even playable when I first got it. There was no sound post in it and tailpiece or anything for it. And so I went and got it all. I went and carved me out a sound post and got a pair of hemostats and popped that in there, and it just roared right to life. It just, the tone in it's just so beautiful. And I'm not sure if I got the sound post located exactly where it needs to go, but it was enough, so I could play it. But next time maybe I'll get that out and play it for you. But this time I'm going to play on this old mandolin. Let's see. And glory to the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. fun with it. Glory to Jesus Christ. And hello, Bob, again. I hope you're having a good time down there in North Carolina. Watch out for the cockroaches down there. I was living in Texas, and that place is loaded with them. I'm sure in any of the warm climates, people have an awful time with those things. Have fun. Make sure you don't lay your sandwiches down anywhere. No, I'm just kidding, folks. I lived over in Texas there, and I laid a sandwich down one day, and I looked, and the thing started moving across the counter. There must have been 100 cockroaches carrying that thing off. They thought it looked like pretty tasty ham sandwich. I don't know. Well, anyway, bye. For the cockroaches. Hey, this is going to be fun.